to wash clothes. Do you want to know how to wash your clothes? Okay, good. Now first, change clothes. Ta-da! The first step of washing clothes is sorting. You have to sort the colored ones to the white ones. The colored ones can be in the side, but separate from the white ones. And this is the pants. It goes in the left. I decided to put them in the left. And now for the white clothes. Ooh, okay, this is white. Okay, now you can see the colored ones should be separated with the white ones. The second step is you have to soak your clothes in clean water for at least 30 minutes. What it does is it softens the dirt inside the clothes. Time to soak! The third step is washing. Well, I accidentally placed them now. And then, yeah, you have to use powdered soap. And you have to put first a little bit. To stir and make sure that the soap is completely dissolved. It is getting soapy now. And now you have to place the clothing. Let it get soaked in the water first, but not long. The first part we're gonna wash is the neck. First of all, you have to find it, the neck part. That's where the okay, it's here. Okay, this part. It's wrapped like that on your neck.
Scrub.
Then you have to wash it. Dip. Scrub. Dip. Scrub. Other side. Dip. Scrub. Now turn it around. Other side. Dip. Scrub. Other side. Dip. Scrub. Other side. Dip and scrub. Now the inside of the cutie. Have to scrub it well and well. Again, as you can see, the bubbles. You have to wash all parts of the clothes, and only these ones you have to scrub. And then you have to scrub everywhere at the last. Don't get lost whenever you're looking for it. You'll never get lost. If you found the side like this and down like that, you'll find it. The fourth step, it's bleaching. You are not going to place bleach on these colored clothes, only in white clothes. And sometimes you have to place it on stained clothes too. That will release it a lot. Looks like it's done. This is my goggles already and it's all clean. The next step is rinsing. But first you have to squeeze it, of course. Squeeze it right here. Now, without us squeezing like this, then when we rinse, we have to do it more times. And then you might waste too much water for it. You have to rinse and you have to use clean water. Then you have to rinse 2, 3, 4 or more. Now let's rinse. Now we have to drop it in. You can see over here, it looks like it's soaking. Actually it's not. Now, first we have to soak it around, then we have to scrub it off. See, hear that? It sounds good, right? That makes it clean. Let's rinse it for the second time. Dip it. And look at the difference. It's so clean. It looks like there's no soap. And then there's let's open all the parts. And here's a cool technique, guys. Go to the toppest. It's upside down. Go to the toppest. And I have a technique for you. Now, see this? Cool way to do it faster. This will help if you're in a rush. And I am in a rush right now. This will help when you're washing. As you can see, there's only 3 soap left. Okay, and now look how many soap got lost. Now. So now, let's test. Put it down. Okay. Sounds good. Like this. See that? As you can see over here, there's no more bubbles. That's cool. It's good. Very, very good. And since there's no bubbles at all, I'm gonna fit my hand inside. I don't smell any soap. And then this detergent means it's time to hang. Let me remove the excess water. As you can see, I squeezed it very well. After you squeeze it, you have to do this. I got wet. That's uncomfortable. And again, and again, and again. Okay, that's the last one. 5 is enough. Okay, when you do that, you have to fix the clothes. And now you have to hang. Using a hanger. Okay, now let's put it in here. And let's put it like this. Okay, I'm going to show you it. As you can see here. Now, you have to dry it and hang it outside.